What's up people, and welcome back to another Monday motivation video. This is another glove review video, possible thanks to professional goalkeeper Asmir Begovic and his glove company AB1GK, who sent over 2 pairs of the Uno glove series. This video will be on the Impact Black Volt. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a big shout out to the guys at the KA22 Turf, backed by Beta Sports Club, who allowed me to film there. They are the biggest turf in town and the only FIFA approved ground in the city. So use the details on screen for your booking. Also, quick shout out to my friend Pranav for helping me with the video. Right, so quick overview of the gloves. It comes with 3mm of all-weather latex in a classic flat cut, which surprisingly fits well for a flat cut glove. Although picking the right size would be key for this. One thing you notice immediately is that the latex doesn't wrap around the thumb. Now this isn't ideal for catching hard shots, however once you get used to it, it might not be that big of an issue. The backhand is made up of an air mesh and EVA padding. Now this makes the glove light and gives enough padding for the hand. The wrist entry is elastic and provides enough comfort when putting it on as well as when you wear it. And the strap is a full bandage strap with 3-point locking system, which to be fair provides a very secure fit. So after a quick pre-wash, I took it along for a session to test the performance. As you can see, it takes some getting used to with the first couple of shots. But once I did and added a little bit of more water to the latex, the grip did do really well. Especially for the price range and it being an entry-level glove. As you can see, I was able to hold on to some pretty hard shots. I then moved into this diving drill to check out the comfort, grip and feel of the glove. And it did very well. The grip was decent and did the job. It may not be as sticky as one of the high-end gloves, but it does the job very well, as you can see. And in fairness to them, this model is known as one of the budget models aimed at providing decent quality gloves at cheaper rates. The idea behind that being Asmir Begovic himself knows how expensive it can be to be a goalkeeper. After that, I did some high saves to see how secure the gloves felt when it came to holding on to the ball. And to my surprise, it did pretty well again. Plus, even with holding onto the ball, the backhand gives enough support to make me feel confident to go for the one-handed saves as well. It has to be noted that I kept wetting the palm a lot more in between the drills to get the best performance out of it. Then I faced a few angle shots and it was the same result. Nothing too fancy, but did the job really well. Now by no means is this a top level glove, but at its price and being an entry level glove, it performs really well. Also, since the grip isn't a delicate super soft latex, it will last longer than most expensive gloves, even on rougher surfaces. This makes it a very good, cheap option to serve you regularly. It could be used either for training sessions only or even for games. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I hope it gave you a bit of an idea about the AB1 Impact Black Volt goalkeeper gloves. All in all, a very solid budget glove that does the job well. So if you liked the video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned for the other review coming soon.